I can tell you that we are thrilled with the construction of the Tropical America's Land. It's really starting to take shape, as you can see here. And, inside the land, we'll have a brand new carousel that features hand-carved animals from some beloved Disney and Pixar stories. Some of you hopefully saw some of them in the pavilion this weekend, yeah? Well, I'm excited to share that we actually have 22 unique animals on this carousel. Here is a look at the whole picnic. They're awesome. We're excited, but our friends at merchandise are very excited about it. The carousel is going to be fun for the whole family. A uniquely Animal Kingdom take on a classic Disney attraction that really started it off.
That is remarkable. I cannot wait. Okay, over in another section of this new Tropical America's Land is a very special house.
Did someone say White House?
Skylar, what are you doing?
You promised that I could come out as to a number as one of my favorite animatronics, and I clearly got the chops. Hey, thank you, Phoenicians!
Please don't encourage you. I promise you that. One too many Twinklelutions at Trader Sam's. Okay. Okay, but, Skylar, what animatronic are you even supposed to be?
All the presidents! I'm Martin Van Buren, baby!
You're joking, Skylar.
It's smart.
It's not.
And I just not, sir.
We're in the middle of the segment, okay? Chris and Michael here.
Oh, yes. Good morrow to you both, gentlemen. Hi. Do you know that I'm actually on the $20 bill? You should check your wallet.
That is correct.
But agreed, it is free. It's Jesus.
Skylar.
They used to call me old Kinderhook.
Get out.
Okay, play my music.
It's a long time spent like that. Where was I? Right, Encanto. Let's go. Please welcome the award-winning writer and director of Encanto and the chief creative officer of Walt Disney Animation Studios, Jared Bush.
I cannot believe you guys got King Candy. That's so cool.
Yes, the one and only. So Jared, welcome back to the Honda Center for night 2 of D23. Heard you had a great time last night.
Who was here last night? Yeah, I think the best time we had a sneak peek of all of our upcoming films. Hex, that's out this year. A little movie called Frozen 3. Yes. Our new movie Clay, and of course, near and dear to my heart, Zootopia 3. And I got to share them all with the best bands in the world. So thank you guys so much.
So, what's it like working with the Imagineers to turn those films into theme park experiences?
I mean, honestly, it's like a dream beyond a dream to be able to step into a world that you helped imagine with characters that you helped create. It's emotional and wildly exciting, and I think it's part of Walt's hope for Disneyland, bringing films off the screen and into the real world. And this new Encanto ride is part of that legacy. Just picture the most quintessential classic Disney attraction, and this is it. And it is my great pleasure to reveal the name, which is Antonio's Fiesta de Encanto. Yeah. And the cherry on top is that all of the original actors of La Familia Madrigal are back. Yes. And we had their best time returning to life in Casita.
And I believe we have a clip of Ooh, should we show it? You want to see it? Let's see it.
Yo, fresh!
Okay, well, please, don't laugh.
Hey, Casita!
As guests, we can take them to the party.
I'll see you at the party.
I am in the studio at Walt Disney Imaginary recording for Animalitos Fiesta de Encanto, coming soon to Disney's Animal Kingdom.
If you're late, blame it on DinoLand.
I think it's so cool that there is an actual physical place where people can experience the story.
But today is not about me. That was weird, but moving on. Does anybody know whose donkey this is in the bathroom?
It's sort of a perfect film to take all these colors and excitement out of and allow audiences to immerse themselves within it.
A lot of butterflies. Oh, aren't they beautiful?
On behalf of the family, Mother God, we hope you had a great time.
Adios, familia. Bye.
Let's talk about the attraction itself. Jared, what's the story with this one?
Okay, so first we're literally in Casita, which is a living house. And this day is Antonio's gift day, which is a very special moment in the life of the Madrigals. It's the day that they are given their special magical talent. And Antonio's gift is communicating with animals, which is perfect for Animal Kingdom. I've seen some of you there trying to talk to the monkeys, so you know who I'm talking about right now. But we are invited into Casita to celebrate Antonio with all of his family and now his extended animal family. And one of my favorite parts was working with the Imagineers to explore the house, to ride through Casita, hearing the music of Encanto, seeing the family using their gifts, getting to celebrate with Antonio in his room. You guys nailed it.
Thanks, Jared. I think one of the things I'm most excited
What's great about this attraction is Casita is a symbol of all these different pieces of furniture, sofas and chairs and even a piano, and combine them to take us to the house. And it's going to feel alive. It's going to react like a character to itself as we go from room to room and really express everything that's happening around you. And here's our first look at a new piece of concept art that will really give you a sense of what it's like to journey through Casita. Here you can see how Casita's using this amazing vehicle. We're going to find our way upstairs into Antonio's room, which is transformed into this incredible rainforest. And it's going to be filled with animals of all shapes and sizes.
The scale of Antonio's room is incredible, and there are more than 50 animals throughout the entire attraction. Awesome. Here's the first look at some of them in action.
I don't know what I'm doing to the capybara, but that's okay. They're so cute. It's cute, all right? So look, we partnered with our Parks Animal Sciences team to make sure that all of these figures are accurate to Columbia. And we're excited to share another piece of news, Michael, that there's no height requirement for this attraction. So it's going to be a great experience for the entire family. Classic ride of the whole day. It sounds awesome. I can't help but notice you didn't talk about Bruno. Right, I always forgot that. Okay, once again, let's hear from our special guests, Jared, Michael, and Chris. Thank you guys for